Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering and measuring ingredients. 2 cups grated vegetables, carrot, potato, cauliflower, 1 cup chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon garam masala for spice. Add 1 tablespoon oil and mix to a thick dough. Press and shape the mixture into 2-inch chunks, then chill 20 minutes to firm up. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce base. Dice 1 medium onion, mince 3 cloves garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger, and open 1 can 400 g diced tomatoes to have everything ready before you heat the pan. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a skillet over medium heat and pan-fry the chilled veggie chunks 4 minutes per side until golden and slightly crisp. Work in batches to avoid crowding. In a separate pan, sauté the prepared onion, garlic, and ginger 5 minutes until translucent, then add 2 teaspoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 tablespoon tomato paste, stirring 1 minute to bloom the spices. Combine chunks with the sauce. Add 1 cup water or coconut milk, and simmer 15 minutes at low heat so flavors meld and chunks soak up the sauce. When the curry has simmered and the sauce thickened to your liking, remove from heat and let it rest 5 minutes to thicken and settle flavors before plating. Taste and adjust salt, add a squeeze of half a lemon for brightness, and garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and optional 1 tablespoon plain yogurt per serving for creaminess. Serve with rice or flatbread. Refrigerate leftovers up to 3 days or freeze up to 2 months in airtight containers, reheating gently until steaming through for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.